BioTense Circulalift Eye Contour Patches. The BioTense Circulalift Eye Contour Patch is an organic treatment that refreshes and transforms the eye area in less than 5 minutes. This treatment is ideal for anyone prone to circulatory dark circles, eye puffiness, or wrinkles and fine lines around the eye area. This exclusive product comes in a sachet of 2 cellulose membranes filled with gel. It will be used ideally prior to applying BioTense Eye Contour Gel. Advantage number 1: anti-dark circle, anti-puffiness. Dark circles and eye puffiness are often the result of a poor microcirculation around the eye area. Pigment from red blood cells called hemoglobin can leak into the tissue and turn blue when oxidizing. BioTense Circulalift Eye Contour Patches contain a stimulating and antioxidant synergy of patented glycogen and baobab extracts. Together, these ingredients boost the microcirculation of the eye contour to visibly reduced circulatory dark circles and eye puffiness. They also contain antioxidant vitamin C, which prevents the oxidation of hemoglobin to help brighten bluish dark circles. Advantage number 2: anti-wrinkle action. BioTense Circulalift Eye Contour Patches offer an instant youthful effect by smoothing wrinkles and fine lines around the eyes. Plumping fragmented hyaluronic acid combined with muscle-relaxing Acmila oleracea fill visible wrinkles and fine lines on the surface of the skin, reducing the appearance of crow's feet. The eyes appear lifted and youthful. Advantage number 3: easy to use and reusable. Easy to use and reusable, BioTense Circulalift Eye Contour Patches are applied directly under the eyes on perfectly clean skin. Leave on for 5 to 8 minutes. Then remove each patch and put them back into the sachet. Once opened, BioTense Circulalift Eye Contour Patches can be stored for up to 7 days in the fridge. Tip: to amplify the decongesting effect of BioTense Circulalift Eye Contour Patches, place in the fridge 30 minutes prior to use. Results: signs of fatigue are instantly dissipated. Dark circles and eye puffiness are visibly reduced. Wrinkles and fine lines are filled. The eye area looks younger, brighter, and more refreshed in less than 5 minutes.